Confidence, guys, is okay. It's okay to be confident, right? It's a fine line between confidence and ego. Think about it right here. Confidence is okay. It's okay to like say, I'm going to do that. I want to be that. And I'm going to be happy and I'm going to smile and I'm going to go accomplish that. I'm going to do it. There's nothing wrong with that. The minute you start crossing that line and hurting other people, stepping on other people's toes, limiting yourself, that's the ego. Now you're blocking your miracles. You're blocking your blessings. Everybody in this room wants this right here. I don't care how old you are. We want, what's that word? Peace. Everybody in this world is searching for it. Like we got wars. We're fighting over guns, control, gas, oils. You think that this was created to do all of that? So you have a choice right now. You guys are at the age where you can shift all of this. Like you can change it and make the world. I put the world out here. This is the universe. Because I think we created the world. Humans. Universe is here, and it's here, it's present within you. Like if we just have that courage to be ourselves, be the best version of you every day, what you desire is going to show up.